welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to read the diagram. I was like, I have to do this video because the last tester calling for this Aphrodite crop sweater, many people are just draw back because it's a diagram based written pattern, and I was like, come on, it's not that difficult. So then yeah, I feel like I really need to teach you how to read the diagram, and I tell you now, it's going to change your life. You know why? Because there are lots of patterns out there that don't have a written pattern come with it. Like if you're going on Pinterest or anywhere on the internet, there are many old patterns that based on diagram, and if you have this skill, my friend, you will be able to make a lot of things that you think in the past that you cannot. Me, I don't know how to read the diagram, and I was like, I have to learn this skill. If I love to crochet, I need to know every corner about crochet, and today I'm going to teach you to do that. Okay, here I'm taking you to my Google Drive document, let's say not Google Drive, but Google document. And what you're seeing here, right here in this picture, is the stitch key. And we're gonna go from chain, slip stitch, like a dot here, and here is single crochet, like it said, sometime here and sometime they use this sign, but my pattern I use this sign like a X as the single crochet. And what you see here is half double crochet, this one double crochet, and this one triple crochet. You can see there's two lines here, and then double treble crochet with 3 lines here. And this one is single crochet together, single crochet 3 together. When you see this code SC single crochet 2 together, SC single crochet 3 together. And this one, this like this, DC mean double crochet 2 together. So when you see this symbol, meaning that you're going to do double crochet 2 together, and this again double crochet 3 together, and this is 3 double crochet cluster, and this one is 3 half double crochet cluster puff stitch or bubble stitch. And this one is 5 double crochet popcorn, and this one is 5 double crochet shell, because it's like 5 double crochet in one stitch like this. And this one is a chain 3 picot stitch, you know, like when you do 3 chain and then you slip stitch here, because this dot is the slip stitch. And when you see this sign, this is front post double crochet. And when you see this side, when it's go to the other side, it's a back post double crochet. And this one is meaning, I never use this though, but this is said work in back loop only, and this one work in front loop only. I actually never know this before, now I know, so I'll be able to perhaps use next time when I have this back loop only or front loop only. So this one you can also download on the internet. This one I download from the internet just to make the tutorial for you to see. And now come to the diagram. This is my diagram, the diagram that I create for Aphrodite Goddess crop sweater. When you buy the written pattern, you have this diagram, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm showing you because I want you to learn. For this one, why I use red? Because I want to show you that this is the plus chain. For example, this design is a multiple of 4, so this I make the chain of 12. This is like a small gauge swatch. You will learn about the gauge swatch also in the upcoming video, because I'm teaching you how to make the gauge swatch so that you can make your Aphrodite Goddess crop sweater that fit you perfectly. So the small gauge swatch, this is 12 chain plus 1 chain. So the plus 1 chain I just make in red so that it stands out, that you know this is plus 1 chain, and row 1 is this one, meaning that this row. So X means, what does that mean? You can go back to look. X means single crochet. So when you see this code, you will know, now you have to do single crochet in the second stitch from hook, and then single crochet in each stitch across. You see, now you're done with row 1, and now come row 2, chain 1. This is the chain 1, single crochet in the second stitch from hook, because there is a hook. This is the first stitch, this is the second stitch. So single crochet in the second stitch from hook, single crochet in each stitch across. You see the X across. You're done with row 2. And now come row 3, chain 1. Now here the red one is chain 1. Single crochet in the second stitch from hook, and then you're going to add front post double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. That's what my pattern said. This is the symbol of front post double crochet. We can go back to have a look. Here, front post double crochet over here. So when you see this diagram, it's a front post double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Also in my pattern, you have a written pattern along with this one. And then the next one, single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. You see, 1, 2, and then again front post double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. You see, and then single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then again repeat front post double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Yeah, here. And then you will end, in my pattern I always say, ending with 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And this is how you finish row 3. Now come row 4, chain 1. Again, I make in red because the chain 1 to starting. And then single crochet, because the egg is single crochet, in the second stitch from hook. And single crochet in each stitch across. You see? Now you're done row 4. Now row 5, chain 1. Single crochet in the second stitch from hook, and then front post double crochet around the front post double crochet from row 3. You see, because row 4 is the single crochet, but row 3 is front post double crochet. So front post double crochet around the front post double crochet below this row. When you see the diagram, you can see directly because this front post double crochet is hooked around the front post double crochet from this row and not this. And sometimes if you get confused, that's why I have a written pattern and said that you front post around the front post double crochet. You are not front post double crochet around the single crochet, because if you have to front post around the single crochet, this one will be slightly higher. So when you see this, you know that front post is go around the front post double crochet from this row. Can you see the picture now? And then again, the next one, front post double crochet around this front post double crochet as well. And then the next one is single crochet regularly on top of single crochet from row 4, from the previous row 2 times, and then again the front post double crochet go around. Now you can already see that the diagram actually make the pattern, make the written pattern even more easier. I mean, in my case, in my written pattern, I feel that diagram make my pattern much easier to read, and for that I love the diagram so much. And I'm not giving you only the diagram, I'm giving you also a written pattern that usually it's come here under the diagram to explain to you, and then video tutorial. So this is just an example of the diagram of the Aphrodite Goddess sweater. Alright, so what do you think about the diagram? You still think it's difficult? I really do hope you enjoy how to read the diagram, and I would love to read your comments. So comment below, what do you feel about this diagram? What do you feel about learning to read the diagram? And if you think it's too difficult for you, or you feel like, now you can do it, anything at all, I really would love to hear your thoughts, and I would love if you actually able to learn from this video at all. yeah, I'm super excited because I'm going to make more videos, something like this, to teach you something that you don't know before, something that you always want to know. So please leave the comment below as well. I know you always want to have a crochet tutorial, and I'm going to share with you a crochet tutorial because this pattern that I already published, this Aphrodite Goddess crop sweater, come with a video tutorial, and you're going to learn that because I'm going to post the tutorial in the coming days right after this video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and you don't know who I am. I am Maya. I'm the founder of Maya Luna Corazon, and I'm super happy to have you on board, to have you with us on this journey. I love to crochet, and I love to teach people how to crochet, and I love to teach people how to measure their body, how to make a designing with crochet, because I am learning as well. The more I teach, the more I learn, and I would love to have you join us on this tribe, on this journey. And if you're really new here and don't know anything about this channel, so you can just go to the playlist or the videos. I have crochet designer bootcamp. I also have a crochet designer formula that you can download for free and start to design your first crochet sweater, crochet crop top, crochet garment. And if you have any questions, just make sure to join us on Facebook. I have a group on Facebook called Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon. Everyone can join, those who love crochet, and even though you just start to crochet today, even though you just found me today, you are welcome to join us on Facebook group and Facebook page as well. You'll be able to apply to test my upcoming design like this one. I want to show you quick. I'm working on something very special. Where is it? It is the cardigan. It used to be the original idea was a sweater, and now I changed my mind to be a cardigan. I'm just gonna show you quick because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Just want to show you how pretty this, oh, upside down, how pretty this cable stitch, and this is the back panel. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm going to call for tester at the end of this week, so make sure you join us and to also introduce yourself, to connect with all the members there. And if you feel like, oh, I'm not that skilled to apply to be tester, I want you to join us anyway. You know why? Because if you are here and you learn from me, you have something to share. I would love to see your work, because in YouTube, you cannot post a photo of what you make, but in Facebook group, you can post a photo of what you learned from my video. And I really love to see what you have learned from my video. I really would love to hear you and read your comment there as well. And yeah, if you have any question about my video tutorial, about my written pattern that you purchased, and if you're new here and you don't know that I have pattern, I do have pattern on Ravelry and Etsy.com. So all of my written pattern are in both places. I know some people don't like Ravelry, some people don't like Etsy, so I have both, so you can choose. So yeah, join us, and if you have any question, you can just post there and post a work in progress, anything at all that you want to share with us. We have an amazing team, amazing members that gonna lift you up every single day and just gonna be there to support you. And I want to show you quickly because I really love this style of cardigan. This is the very first time I make the cardigan with the cable stitch at the, you know, center panel like this. But also it's very challenging because I have to make another side with I already start with kind of like mirroring each other. All of this detail coming up when the pattern is ready and when I'm making a video tutorial, because I'm gonna walk you through how to do it, how to make the back panel, front panels, and how to connect it together. I hope the yarn is enough to make the sleeve. If you wonder what yarn is this one, it's this one, my friend. This is a beautiful organic wool from Delerum Natura. I have a video yarn review about this yarn. I put it up here as well as in description box below. By the way, I really encourage you to read the description box because all of the info is in description box, and you don't read and then you ask me the same question when the answer is already there. So if you read, you don't have to wait for me to answer you, you already got the answer. But if you don't find any answer that you're looking for, of course, leave the comment. I will be happy to read your comment and do my best to assist you. So I think I already said everything. Oh, another thing, I have Instagram and I post every single day on Instagram Insta story. I don't know if you even use that. I know that most of you who are following me using Facebook, but Instagram is also the place that I upload or update every single day. I love Instagram story because I can make a silly face and I post on story and I can show you the work that I'm doing right now, and sometimes I ask you questions, opinions. So if you have Instagram, just interact with me. And if you don't know where is Instagram story, you can just go to my account, Maya Luna Corazon, and you click on my profile. There is like a ring around in my profile, and if I have a new story, it's gonna have a color like red. Then you can see my story, and I update every single day because the story only lasts 24 hours. And if you have Instagram, you should use that because then I can just spy you. Can just go to your story and see what you're up to. All right, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something today from me. If you learned something, click that like button so I know that you like this video. And if you didn't learn anything, let me know in the comment below if you have any question that you don't understand about diagram. And if you have any more question about the new video that you want me to make, as I say, I want to be here more often. I don't know if I said that yet, but I want to be here more often. I try to be here 2 times per week. One video a tutorial and another video is like vlogging and teaching you tips and tricks about crochet. So if you have any more questions, anything crochet related, just comment down below. I will get back to you and just do my best to help you. All right, have a beautiful day, have a beautiful moment, and happy crocheting. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Just click that box under this video and don't forget to click that bell next to it so you won't miss the notification when the new video coming your way. And the next video is this one. You're going to learn how to make this beautiful Aphrodite goddess crop sweater. See you later. Bye bye. Now for real.